A few people have turned in their quadratic formula and I've noticed a lot of errors, so I hope this explanation will help clear that up. The b squared minus 4ac is probably the hardest part, so I like to show that work somewhere else. And in pink, I did b squared, which is 5 squared, and that's 25. Think of this as negative 4 times a times c. So negative 4 times negative 1 times 2 is positive 8. If it's a positive 8, you want to write that as a plus sign when you plug it back in. I see people doing this 8 and then they're doing extra stuff afterwards. You don't need to do that. And then 2 times a is 2 times negative 1, that's negative 2. Now I'm going to plug all these back into my problem. And hopefully you guys realize this negative b is negative 5. I think you guys are doing great with that. Then you want to do the square root part, which is square root of 33. Type it in a calculator or Desmos. And that becomes 5.7. Now I'm seeing a lot of mistakes at the end because you're typing all of this in your calculator at once and your calculator is not following order of operations. You want to do the numerator first. Negative 5 plus 5.7, do that by itself, is 0.7 and then divide it by negative 2. If I did a minus sign, negative 5 minus 5.7, I get negative 10.7 divided by negative 2, and type those in your calculator. So here's the answer for number 3, and I hope that helps you fix your other problems.